Okay, so it's come to my attention that I did not post the Dandelion infused oil video. I know I recorded it, but now I can't find it because I have to delete stuff off my phone for storage purposes. So anyhow, let's talk about this, and I'll explain it to you, and then come this spring I'll actually do it so y'all can see it happening. But meantime, you can leave oil infused, create salves, ointments. It eases achy muscles and joints, calming when combined with lavender, stress relieving, skin moisturizer, chapped lips. So you're going to pick and cut your dandelion head from the stem after the dew dries. You don't want to pick it while it's wet. Try to pick clean ones and pick them while they're open. Gather enough to fill desired jar size. So what I do is I walk around the jar I'm going to use. I just pop the heads in there. And then when I get in the house, you have to take them and wash them. They're dirtier than you think. And there's little bugs in there that you don't think about because you don't see them because they're way down in there enjoying themselves. But anyhow, spray them off. Kind of give them just, a once over. Then you lay them out on a towel and let them dry. And they'll close up. I do have a picture of that. I'll include that in here. But then, they don't fully dry. Just let them wilt up. But they'll close when they do it. And then put all your wilted dandelions into your jar. Then fill the jar up with your olive oil or any other good quality oil like you want. Whether it's grapeseed or, I don't know, avocado maybe. I don't know. Whatever oil you use. I just always use olive oil. It's easy. But completely cover the dandelion heads and leave 1/4 inch of head space. Put the lid on and place it in a sunny location for 2 weeks. So don't hide this in your cabinet. Put it in like your windowsill. And then don't go over longer because it can mold because, well, it's still wet flowers soaking in some oil, so it can get moldy. So after 2 weeks, strain it. I just shake it every once in a while when I walk by. I'll be like, oh, hey, yeah, that's right, I'm doing that. So I'll just give it a shake every once in a while just to make sure it's mixing up real good. So after 2 weeks, strain it. And then store the jar of oil. Now you have dandelion oil. Mark it good. Put it in the cabinet. And then you have it for making your bath bombs, your salves, your facial serums, honey and dandelion soap, lotion bars. But yeah, you can put the oil directly on some scrapes and some burns and bug bites or any kind of irritated skin. It helps heal your wound. It nourishes and moisturizes your skin. Apply oil on salve for diaper rashes. And then this tells you how to make the salve down here. Don't mind my cursive writing. It is what it is there. But that's how you're going to do it. I mean, it's super easy. Pick your dandelions when they're dry and they're open. Bring them in the house. Wash them. Lay them out on the towel overnight. Take them the next morning. Throw them in your jar again. Cover it with oil. Put the lid on. Give it a little shake. Put it in the window. And leave it set for 2 weeks. Definitely pay attention to that because it will mold. Ain't no point in wasting, the dandelions, the oil, and the work. It's not hard work, but it's still work. So that's it there, and I'll include a picture of the dried dandelions because that's all I have left of any of my video and stuff that I did do. But again, like I said, I'll do it this spring. I apologize for having forgotten that.